In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit and rearrange the S Pen Air Command shortcut menu on your Samsung Galaxy S23. First, eject your pen and let the pop-up menu appear. Next, if you want to rearrange this, simply tap and hold and drag it to wherever you would like. You can do this multiple times for different things, like that. If you would like to add something, a shortcut, simply tap on the add button and you'll be brought to this page. Simply look for something you would add. It can be a shortcut or it can be an app, say for example Facebook or Chrome. If you would like to remove something, look for this minus button on these icons and tap on them. Another way to do this is by going to settings and scrolling through settings to select advanced features. Under advanced features, select S Pen, then select Air Command, and under Air Command you should see the option shortcuts. Tap on that. This will open the same shortcut menu that you can use to add or remove apps. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.